everybody, today we're on Odin's hill. We got permission from Odin himself to make a video up here. And we're going to be playing with this fire truck and this helicopter. They both have sounds. We're not going to be using them.
Yes, we are.
Oh no.
We're just going to play how we're saving people, how to save people.
Okay, so what are we going to do? What are we going to play?
Teach people how to
You go first. Helicopter first. How to save people on a helicopter.
Can you hold my
Oh no! Help us! We need helping! If it would be terribly convenient if a helicopter were to come. Oh wow! Wow! We've never done this before. Let's see, they can't see the person. And that is how you save people.
What's a helicopter?
On a helicopter. Terrible thing.
No,
Now it's my turn.
no, I'm the person for this one.
No, because I'd be that person.
What person am I gonna be?
You're gonna be the person.
Listen.
No, because remember, I was right here and I didn't do anything. So now you have to sit down and eat and sit there.
So I'm gonna be the helicopter.
Oh no! We're in a burning building. But it would be terribly convenient if the firefighters were to come. We're here to save your building. I'm coming too. Okay, now I'm gonna leave this up to you, so you can bring them to safety.
No, put the ladder up, so I'll put the ladder up.
And that is how you save people. Well, not really. On a fire truck. Bye. I just said bye to the camera.
Bye.